Hi, in this session on profit and loss, we will be looking into some interesting questions and some standard questions that will definitely help you in a lot of competitive examinations. Okay, let's see the question. This is a basic type of question and these type of questions will be asked in Capgemini and CTS. Okay, let's go to the question. Cost price of 12 articles is equals to selling price of 9 articles. Find the gain or loss percentage. Okay, point number 1. Don't think 12 is the cost price. Don't think 9 is the selling price. Question is not going to be that straight. What the question talks about. So look at here. 12 cost price is equals to 9 selling price. Okay, the cost price of 12 articles which is equals to 9 articles of selling price. Just solve this equation. Cost price by selling price which is equals to 9 by 12. Your cost price is 9 rupees, your selling price is 12 rupees. So what is the profit here? 3 rupees. That is in amounts. What is the profit percentage? Yeah, profit percentage is what? Profit by cost price into 100. So the profit percentage is going to be what? Profit 3 by cost price is what? 9 rupees into 100. So 1 divided by 3. So profit percentage, your percentage session 1 by 3 fraction you have to convert into percentage. That's going to be what? 33.33 percentage. 33.33 percentage. So this is how the basic calculation. But how to do this question without using a pen and paper? Yeah, the visualization method. Okay. Point number 1. Point number 1. First, you have to decide whether you are getting profit or loss. How? Very simple. You have to understand the question properly. Cost price of 12 articles is equals to the selling price of 9 articles. Please assume there are 9 sanitizers. Please assume there are 12 sanitizers. Okay, this is a 12 sanitizer. Okay, what you are doing is you sold 9 sanitizers. Okay, you sold 9 sanitizers. The moment you sold 9 sanitizers, you got a price of 12 sanitizers. Okay, so the point is this. When you sold the rest of the sanitizers, definitely you are in profit, no? Yeah, that's what the question talks about. That's what the question talks about. Please understand the question carefully. So, there are 12 sanitizers. You sold 9 sanitizers. The moment you sold 9 sanitizer, you got a price of, let's say, one sanitizer is, the cost price of one sanitizer is 1 rupee. Okay. But the moment you sold 9 sanitizers, you got 12 rupees in your account. But the point is what? The remaining 3 you sold, that will be going to be your what? Profit. Okay. So you have decided you are getting profit or loss. Yes, you are getting profit. One more basic question. When you are getting profit, your cost price should be less than the selling price. Okay. Guys, always think the difference only profit. Okay. The difference only profit. What is the difference here? 3. So 3 only profit. Our biggest question is what is the cost price among these two values? Okay. What is the cost price among these two values? Yeah, simple. When you are in profit, your cost price should be what? Less than the selling price. So definitely, what is the smallest value here? 9 is the smallest value. So 9 will become your cost price. Then what is the profit percentage? Simple, you know, right? Profit by cost price into 100. So if you do this, you will get what? 33.33%. How? 3 ones are, 3 threes are. What is 1 by 3? 1 by 3 is going to be what? 33.33%. You know, if you know this funda, if you know the basics, the job is going to be very easy. Hope you understood this question. Let's go to the next question. This is also similar kind of question. Okay, a basic question, and the question will be asked in Capgemini and TCS. Let's look at the question. 9 CP is equals to 12 SP. Understand, he sold 12. He had 12 sanitizers. Okay, he sold 12 sanitizers, but still he is getting only 9 articles. Which means what, guys, here? Which means he will be in where? Loss. He will be in where? Loss. Let's do it in a general way. So can I write from here? CP by SP, which is equals to 12 by 9? Yes. So can I say there is a loss of 3 rupees? Yes. What is the loss percentage? Loss by cost price into 100. So what is the loss here? Loss is 3. What is the cost price? 12 is the cost price into 100. 3 ones are 3 how many times? 4 times. So the loss percentage is going to be what here? Yeah, the loss percentage is going to be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means what? 25% is the loss percentage. 25% is going to be the loss percentage. So this is the basic way of solving. What is the other way around here? Yes. Now look at the question, guys. You have decided you are getting loss. Guys, when you are in loss, definitely your cost price is more than your selling price, no? Yes. I can say the loss is only the difference. What is the difference here? 3. So the loss is 3. What about cost price? When you are in loss, definitely, okay, when you are in loss, definitely your cost price is more. The largest value. What is the largest value here? 12 is the largest value. So can I conclude the loss percentage is going to be, okay, loss by cost price into 100. So that will give you 1 by 4 into 100. What is 1 by 4 now? 1 by 4 is going to be what? 25%. You know, this is how simply you can answer your questions very easily. Okay. Hope you understood this particular question. Let's go to the next question. Guys, this question being asked in, it's a kind of difficult one. Okay. But these type of difficult questions will be asked in TCS, Infosys, SSC, CGL. Okay. Then how to handle this type of question? Let's see. By selling 55 kgs of sugar, Kumar gets the selling price of 22 kgs of sugar. Find his gain percentage. Okay, please understand the question carefully. What the question talks about? Okay, by selling 55 kgs of sugar. Guys, tell me one thing. He is getting what gain? Gain means what? Profit. What is profit basic formula? Selling price minus cost price. He sold how many kgs? 55 kgs. Guys, if Kumar want to sold 55 kgs, first he need to bring 55 kgs of cost price, no? He need to bring 55 kgs of sugar. Then only he will sell 55 kgs of sugar. Then only he will get 22 kgs of sugar. 22 kgs of sugar. So, the profit is what? 22 kgs of sugar. Which is in SP? Yes. Okay. So, please understand. Somebody will ask you, if let's say you are Kumar, okay, somebody will ask you, after selling 55 kgs of sugar, what is your profit? You know little bit maths and you are saying your answer, I got a profit of 22 kgs of SP. Okay. So, if I sold 22 kgs of, my profit is 22 kgs of SP. Okay. 22 kgs of SP. Then rearrange the situation. So, can I conclude this question? So, if you rearrange it, 55 CP is equals to 55 SP minus 22 SP. So, 55 CP is equals to, can I write 33 SP? Yeah. So, can I write CP by SP which is equals to 33 by 55. You brought it for 33, you sold it for 55. What is the profit here? The profit is going to be what? 22. This is like our regular question only. What is the profit percentage? 22 by 33 into 100. Why 33? Because the cost price is 33. 11 2s are 11 3s are. What is 2 by 3? Percentages. 2 by 3 value is what? 66.66 percentage. 2 by 3 value is what? 66.66%. In this whole particular question, you are able to write this equation. So, this is profit equation. Once you're done with your profit equation, your job is a cakewalk. Okay. See, the only point is this. You are saying your profit in terms of selling price. That's it. Once you understood that, your job is going to be a cakewalk. Please understand that. Thank you.